President Emmerson Mnangagwa has demanded timelines and implementation matrix of key resolutions of the ZANU-PF annual conference held in Mutare recently, particularly the one which seeks to extend his rule beyond the 2028 constitutional term limit to 2030. Sarapina mashoko budapangwa ene tukamira wenyika yachidhimanda achiti aiwa vanhu varifana kuimplementa maresolutions akaitwa the annual conference. Kuchonekwa kunzi maresolutions ari kuinvolva nhau dze2030 rinozobuda pachena kuti mutungamiri wenyika is heading for 2030 or the rule beyond 2028. No subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tima news okusondanyira chite. Mnangagwa made this demand during a ZANU-PF Politburo meeting on Wednesday at the party headquarters in Harare. The ZANU-PF conference directed specific actions and a timeline, mainly on the resolution which seeks to extend Mnangagwa's tenure amid fierce resistance by ruling party, civil society, and opposition forces. The issue is part of ZANU-PF's internal succession infighting, pitting Mnangagwa against Vice President Kosano Chiwenga. The succession battle has been raging with growing intensity throughout the whole year. The party instructed Minister of Justice Yambi, who is also ZANU-PF Legal Affairs Secretary, to initiate the necessary legal and constitutional amendments for Mnangagwa to hang on to power. The party and government were given a deadline to implement the constitutional changes before the next ZANU-PF annual conference scheduled for October 2026. Besides the controversial presidential term extension, which has generated significant attention and debate, other resolutions include those on currency, taxation, trade, and investment resources management, party supremacy, civil service, infrastructure, and welfare issues. Thomas Karabdanyo kwa pangwa inoi. Binakome section medu zofunguro inyi mutuli pa mzoro pechiko ichi. Binakome section medu, so subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.